When you work on SketchUp, you have three different axes. Three different axes, the X, Y, and Z axis. So the three different axes have each a color. So you have the red axis here, you have the green axis here, and you have the blue axis here. So it is a plane in three dimensions. So for this reason, you have three different axes like that. And when you turn, we can see that the different aspect. So you need to understand that when you are going to create, for example, a rectangle, you are going to work on two different planes, and after when you will use push-pull, you will add also the blue axis like this.